Welcome to our guide on dual booting Windows and Linux for gaming. First, choose the right Linux distribution for gaming. Popular options include Ubuntu, Pop!_OS, and SteamOS. Ensure you have enough partition space for both operating systems. Ideally, allocate at least 50 gigabytes for Linux. Back up your important files before starting the dual boot setup. This prevents data loss. Create a bootable USB drive for your chosen Linux distribution using tools like Rufus or Etcher. Restart your computer and access the BIOS/UEFI settings to boot from the USB drive. Follow the installation steps, selecting the option to install alongside Windows. After installing, update both operating systems to ensure optimal performance. Install the necessary drivers, especially for your graphics card, in both systems for the best gaming experience. Configure your system settings to manage resources efficiently between Windows and Linux. To enhance gaming performance, consider using tools like Lutris and Proton on Linux. Finally, remember to switch between systems easily using the boot menu during startup. Thanks for watching. Enjoy gaming on both Windows and Linux with your new dual boot setup. Remember to subscribe if you liked.